G'day YouTube, JB from Oz here. What do you reckon we should do with this truckload of limestone? Well, Seph had an idea, and so this is the story of that idea. So what began with 3 limestone blocks of Gumtree. Stack. Somewhere to put wood. A couple of pavers to finish at the top. We do them inside. Layer of red newspaper. And then a layer of clay from the farm. Like that. Go into the morning of day 2 while we let it dry.
Happy birthday, pizza! Woohoo!
Well, I'm going to call that a result. Thanks heaps for watching. Pizza was great. We even tried our hand at a pot roast. We cooked up a chicken in the wood-fired pizza oven as well. Happy New Year's, guys. Catch you next one.